It was hurting me, guys. That Wi-Fi, I bought it $105. 105 right then and there. And they robbed me and scammed me. Now I gotta go pay another $50. Xfinity, what are you doing? I love y'all. But Annie Joe gotta be on top. I need new Wi-Fi. I need new Wi-Fi. The one that I got, it ain't even working. It don't even work. I started a movie. I started a mission. I started an industry. I need me a mission. Thinking about you, I feel it was true. I needed my Wi-Fi. I needed my Wi-Fi. I needed my Wi-Fi. Thought about the Wi-Fi, getting it back was a mission like a Michelin man. Trying to get the money like a Chila man. Trying to get his new band like a Rivian. Dang, I'm feeling the flow. Money on me like an instrumental. Then here goes Chris G. Ayy, like Crisco, like ayy. G-Shot, G-Flow, dead shot. Feel like the GOAT. Money non-stop.
Tell my brother Joe this a waste of a beat. He said nah, trust me, it'll be son. He said only cause you my little bro Joe, and we stay connected like
Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, problems, problems. Wi-Fi, 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 problems. Wi-Fi, 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 problems. Wi-Fi, 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 problems. Wi-Fi, 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 problems. Problems with the Wi-Fi. Problems with the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, problems. Ayy, ayy, ayy. Annie Joe, we back, gang. New stuff coming out this summer, you know. We back. Chris G hopped on the track today, you know, guys. Okay, that's the plan. Michelin man, trying to get 5 stars, trying to hit a new band, you know. That Wi-Fi ain't too good, but you know, we about to get something brand new. We about to get something better. You know, look out for the new stuff, brands, you know, merch and all that, you know. Annie Joe, we back, baby. Love.